Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a text box in Google Docs. So here in my Google Docs document, guys, I'm going to add a text box right here towards the bottom. And to do that, just simple click on insert on the upper menus here from the left hand side, and you want to go down to where you have drawing and simple click in new. Right here is going to open up this window here where you can easily go ahead and add a text box. So one of the options here you have is a text box. So if you click on that, you have the option now you can draw that text box to the way you want, right? So I'm going to make it to about this, and here you can make it whatever you want. You can adjust the, for example, the font size. If you want to change the font size, let's put that to about 20 as an example, and we can make it bold for the text. You can also play around with the text color if you want to change that as well when you're going to write. So let's say I want to make it like that. You can also play around with the weight of the lines here. So as you can see here, it's looking not the best, so you can always change that. And to easily change that, all you have to do, you can just simply hover over border weight, and you can click on that and you can change that to whatever. So I'm going to put it to about 8, and as you can see, it is changed here. And there are so many options. You can even change it to dash or whatever, so you can make it like that. As an example, it's really up to you. So let's leave it like that. Maybe one last thing, let's change the style of the text. So I'm going to make it like that. Now in the text here, I'm going to simply type in text box, right? And you will see right here that I have text box, right? So that's basically it. Now you can always adjust this to whatever you want. So let's say I want to adjust it like this for now. I can go ahead, and the text, you can go ahead and basically position your text how you want to have it, right? So let's say I want to have it just like this, right? That's what I want. Now all I have to do is just simply go ahead and click save and close afterwards, and as you can see, it is added there. Now at any point in time you want to, let's say, move it, or do whatever you want to it, you can, for example, move it by simple change the option here that says in front, and you can simply move this text box anywhere in the document that you wish. You can always go ahead and edit it afterwards by simple clicking on that text box, click on edit. It's going to open it up again, and you can change it. So let's say I want to change the weight, I want to make it full, and I can go ahead and I can do that. And I want to make the text box a bit larger, and the text, I want to go ahead and, let's say, make the text extremely large, right? So I can go ahead and I can make it larger depending on what I want, right? It's very easy and very simple, guys. It's really up to you, whatever you want. So you can easily go ahead and add text boxes there if you so desire. So this is one way. So let's say I go ahead and insert that, save, I have my text box there, right? You might need to make some modification to it if you so desire as well. So let me go back here and change it a little bit so that it looks much better, right? So I'm going to change that, for example, like this. Now, guys, I also want to mention that in case you want to have, for example, a text box that does not have any text, you can easily make something like that. And I'm going to show you a workaround. So I'm going to click on this one, for example, and I'm going to align it to the left. So what you want to do is simply go back to the insert again and go to drawing and click on new. This time, what you want to do is to create a text box. By simple draw the text box, you can go ahead and you can fit it however you want, and you can make the weight of the border. It's really up to you. So I'm going to make it, for example, like that. Now you might be wondering, how do I go ahead and add text into that text box afterwards? I'm going to show you a workaround. So go ahead and save and close there, and you have the text box. And you might be wondering, but I cannot type inside that text box. Now you want to click on the text box, and you want to make the wrap somewhere that it's also that is behind. So you can easily go ahead and choose the option that says behind text. And here, what's going to happen, you want to go down into that layer or that space where you have that cursor, and you can simply enter a space, and you can type, for example, in that text box. So let's say I want to type hello, right? I can go ahead and I can type hello into that box. But the thing is, you want to ensure that you move that text box over the text afterwards so that it matches. And as you can see right here, in my case, I move it, and you can see that right now I move the text. So here is, for example, my text. So let's say this is my text. I want to add my text hello right here, or I can type hello world. Let's put it something like that, hello world. And I have my text here. I can easily go ahead and move my text box now and put it something like that. And you can always modify your text. It's really up to you, and you can always modify the text box if you so desire. So if you're looking for a workaround how you can add the text and you can easily go ahead and change that afterwards, it's very easy to do. You just need to find a way, the workaround to make it. So I'm gonna, for example, make my text bold. I'm gonna change it to, for example, a little bit larger, and let's say want that to be like that. Then I click on my text box and I can move it around. So there's not a direct way how to add the text box per se, but you can easily go ahead and create the box. The trick to it is that you want to ensure that you move that text box and give it the option that you can either put it behind the text or you can put it in front of the text. It's really up to you. Behind is normally the best way, but you have the option how you can easily modify it, and you can move the size in, and you can always play around. If you realize that you don't have enough control over it, you can always click on the text box and edit it, and you can change it to whatever you want. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.